Hi guys, it's Stefan here from Jopos, and I'm going to talk about things to consider before taking a female for a mate. So, firstly, the first sign that your female is ready to mate is when you spot the blood drops around her living area, and so from the day you spot that, between 10 to 14 days, she can mate. So that's the time that you can take her to a male. So when you go to get to select a male, so there are few things that most of the people do. So you go select the male that looks good in features, and also a male that looks healthy, and there's another thing that you should always consider is his age. So make sure you select a male that is matured enough, so that has a chance of giving you a bigger litter size. And when you say a bigger litter size, that the big litter, it actually depends on the genetics of your dog, so that can vary from the female and the male as well. So once you spot in 9 to 14 days, and in between you should make sure that you are given your worm treatments, and also you should start feeding vitamin E. All right, so vitamin E actually immunes their system as well, and it helps them to get vitamins where their coat will be healthy. So you get vitamin E capsules, you can use them as well. And once you are taken for the mate, so once you have done the mate till the mate is over, which naturally you can select the male. If it's one male, it's always better to do it, let's say twice, so to make sure, and you'll be able to get it confirmed. All right, so one is till the two mates are done, you should not bait them. That's one thing that you should always keep in mind. And also your vaccinations should all be completed. So once you have done the crossing, so which means we come to after you have done the mating, so then you can start off giving vitamin B plus C. So you get a lot of vitamins. I can't name the vitamins, but then whatever vitamin you're giving, make sure you just, let's say for example, you get a vitamin with just go to a pharmacy, you get a vitamin for your dog. So just make sure you read the ingredients added on the vitamin. So if there is vitamin B and E, so there are particular vitamins that are specialized, and there are more vitamin B and E on that. So you can start off giving 2 tablets in the morning and 2 tablets in the evening. So this is not something that you have to give when you want a female to give pups, but then I think it's better if we can give it lifelong. So that would actually have you, which means your dog will have good hair growth, and she'll be rash free, and also it boosts their growth a lot. So, and then once you have done the mate, from the day onwards till for, let's say, for about 30 days, you can give folic acid. So it's a tablet, so you can get it from pharmacies as well, one in the morning and one in the evening for 30 days only. And with that, any other vitamin that you think it's going to support the health of your dog's growth, so that can be any calcium powder or any multivitamin, whichever is dog friendly, you can give them. And also feeding, so let's say you feed your dogs twice a day or thrice a day, so maybe you can double up that, because so once she's getting prepared for it to give birth, the life cycle of a dog, so she needs more minerals and more vitamins, because there's going to be 6 to 7, 8 pups coming out. So for them to be growing, you have to feed the mother very much. So you can also supplement it with the dog food. So I believe not everyone gives dog food. So if you're giving dog food, it's not a problem, it's good. But then if you're giving a normal, let's say a rice and fish, and it's always better to feed fish if it's a female, because they need a lot of calcium because they give birth. So you can give calcium enriched food, and also you can maybe double up the food intake, as I said, and also supplement them with a dog food, any dog food that you prefer. it can be any brand, but just make sure even when selecting your dog food, it's not about the brand, it's about the ingredients on it. So just have a look at the dog food, and let's say when you buy it, just you look at let's say you get the package, turn it the other side, and there'll be the ingredients card. What I'm saying is to check what are the minerals, what are the food they have used, and all of that. So, and this what I said is something that would apply for any vitamin that you get as well. So generally, once you start doing all that, they deliver between 55 to 68 days. So if after 65 days you feel that your pet is behaving a bit awkward or odd or something that you're not used to, just always it's best to speak to your vet and check it off.